Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com. I just received some new goodies from Rongrong Devoe. Let's do a flip through and a plan with it. All right, I have some beautiful new products here from Rongrong Devoe. I cannot wait to share them with you. I will have a link to her shop down below. If and when you use my affiliate link, it actually saves you 10% on your order. And that is for all of the time, like anytime you use it, which is a great little bonus. So you can just bookmark that link if you're interested. Otherwise, we are going to start with flip throughs and then do a plan with me at the end. Let's go. All right, first up, we have a brand new PET box set. This is the Asian-inspired washi. Her PET tapes are so popular. It comes in this beautiful box, which I'm here for. It is so, so pretty. We have 4 brand new PET tapes. They are gorgeous. I'm going to open them up and then share them with you. Let's check them out. All right, so 4 brand new PET tapes and a couple of which are a little bit different. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So we have some wide washi tape. This is kind of your standard washi tape, but really, really wide, absolutely beautiful. What I love about pieces like this is that you can just tear it. So you can tear it, create a very cool pattern, a very cool shape. And that is definitely something that I enjoy doing when I am layering and playing with PET tapes. That is so fun. Love this one. So you have this beautiful image. Let's kind of open this up and check it out. Let me open up this way. So pretty with the birds in the background and the florals. Absolutely gorgeous. So that is a wide washi tape. And then there's one other wide washi tape in this box set, and that is this one right here. This is giving me all of the spring and summer feels. Look at those bright colors. Like seriously, that is so, so pretty. So I'm excited to get a chance to use these gorgeous washi tapes. I think they are absolutely beautiful. Love that. So you get those 2 in the box, and then you get 2 of her more traditional PET tapes that we've come to expect from Rongrong. These are the individually cut stickers on a matte finish. Love this beautiful blue. Actually, let me unroll it this way. You have these beautiful vases, florals, and birds. Love that one. That's so pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love that. So you have a blue one, and then probably my favorite one in the whole box is the next one because it reminds me of cherry blossoms, and it's almost cherry blossom season here in Northern Virginia. Look at those beautiful pink blossoms. I love it. This is definitely one that's going to get used in my craft studio. I think this is gorgeous. I just think it's so, so, so pretty. So those are absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to use them in my planner. And I love that they come in this beautiful box set. A, it's a beautiful gift to perhaps give to someone. B, you can get a box set, break it up. I love that. I just love the beautiful container that it comes in. So I'm very excited about all of those gorgeous PET tapes. Then Rongrong released a beautiful set called Black Girl Magic. This is volume 2. She did have an original Black Girl Magic. I think it released a couple years ago. Black Girl Magic volume 2 has a sticker book, has dashboards, which I'm excited to check out, and a PET tape. So let's dive into those. All right, let's start with the dashboards. This is something I don't know that I've seen Rongrong do before. What we have here are, these are like a thick cardstock. You can punch them to put them into your planner. You can use them for memory keeping. Today, I have the power to change my story. Oh, I love that. Oh my goodness. That's super beautiful. In the back, gorgeous. Remember why you started. Beautiful. Just a decorative piece to add into your planner. Own your magic. Love, love, love. It always seems impossible until it's done. So beautiful, so pretty. The more you earn, the more you learn. Love those. So that's just a nice addition to change up your planner. I have clear dividers in my planners, so it's fun to change out the dashboards and just see what else you can create and change up the look of your planner. So that is a very cool set. That's Black Girl Magic, the dashboard set. Then we have, I think we'll do the PET tape. This will give us a little preview of what the sticker book is going to be. You see all of these gorgeous girls. It always seems impossible until it's done. Love the vibe. Own your magic. Rise like the sun. I love these abstract pieces. That is very pretty. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Black Girl Magic. Embrace your journey. Those are beautiful. And again, I always sing the praises of PET tape. I love it because you get so many of the same sticker. You can use it over and over. You don't have to feel like you have to hoard your stickers. And it's just a really nice quality sticker, which I'm absolutely here for. Then we have the hand-drawn sticker book. Let's check it out. Starting with some wonderful functional stickers. I like how she's mixing in the decorative, and I'm digging the abstract. That is very pretty. And of course, it's on that thick sticker paper that we've come to love from Rongrong Devoe. Love her sticker paper so much. Beautiful shapes. This girl, I'm here for her. That is so pretty. She's beautiful. Love the bullet points. That's awesome. This is stunning. I love it. Lots of functionality here at the beginning. Own your magic, rise like the sun. I like the circles too. Today I have the power to change my story. I'm digging all the there's a ton of functional in this book. I wasn't expecting that at all. I thought it was going to be mostly decorative. But these, oh, I love these. Those are some of my favorites for her. And I'm here for this abstract. I think that is so pretty. Okay, this is awesome. Rongrong has done this before. And I'm here for these ginormous clusters that are already kind of put together for you. Just makes it easy to put together a quick spread. This, I believe, is a whole page. A sticker that is a whole page. That's cool. I'll be using that. Oh my goodness, look at this one. That's so pretty. Okay, I'm excited to create with this. The sun does not ask permission to shine, and neither do I. So beautiful. Nice font. Some great word fetty. Love. Here's all the decorative stickers. These are on clear. Everything else has been on white sticker paper. These are on clear. Beautiful. I love all the empowering phrases, and then the art. These women are just gorgeous. And the color scheme is fun. Very cool. I love these. So cool. I was hoping she would have some that were bits and pieces of the abstract. Yes, that's what I was hoping for. And of course, there are some of those with the PET tape. So pretty. I love it. I love it. These are all available over on Rongrong's website. Again, I will have my link down below. I think I'm going to use this gorgeous sticker book and probably some of this PET tape. We'll see how it goes to decorate my faith planner for the week. So if you're interested in checking that out, stay tuned. All right, so I definitely want to start with one of those full page stickers. I think those are so fun to work with. There are so many different things you could do with them. You could stamp on top of them and then fussy cut out fun shapes. You could cut out all kinds of different shapes. You could use your punches that you have. If you have a cricket or a silhouette, you could use these to cut out all kinds of things. On the other hand, I love tearing, so I'm just going to tear big chunks of these stickers and use them as the basis for my page. They are going to set the color scheme and the color theme for the page, and I love how they're going to kind of frame in where I plan to write throughout the week. So I just need to trim up a little bit. Whenever I have a sticker that I know I want to go over the edge, a lot of times I put it over, like a little bit over the edge, just so that I can know that there's not going to be any white showing from there. So same thing up here. I'm going to take this one, cover that top corner, and I am still going to create a place to write up top so that I can write my prayer list for the week. But let me just trim this off first. And I already am a little bit obsessed with how beautiful this looks. It looks very chic and together. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Here's what I'm going to use for prayer requests for the week. I'm going to use the cluster of boxes again, something that Rongrong has started to do that makes it so easy to put together your spread. Let's have this girl because she, I think, is my favorite from all of the girls in this particular release. She is absolutely beautiful, and it looks like she is sitting and reading and reflecting, which I think is perfect for my faith planner for the week. So that cluster came together really easily, looking good. I could definitely leave it here, but because there are all of these beautiful boxes that are included as part of this sticker book, I want to bring them into my faith planning spread just to distribute the color a little bit differently. I'm going to alternate the square boxes with the vertical boxes. This is where I write the scripture that I am studying each day. So I am doing a Bible reading plan, and it generally includes a Psalm or Proverbs. Then we have New Testament and Old Testament. So I like to write out the references to what I plan to read on that particular day, and then I take notes in the lined area. With each of these boxes, I am going to include some decorative stickers. I love creating clusters down these vertical lines in my faith planner. I don't like to cover up a lot of the lines that I use for taking notes because I want to preserve as much space as possible in those areas, but I do like to decorate down the middle here around the functional boxes, around things like that, so that I can still write the references, but I can bring that decor throughout the spread. I will be using a mix of these abstract images over here in the sticker book, and then I'll probably pull a few girls from the PET tape as well. Again, that's one of the reasons I love the PET tape. You don't have to hoard your stickers. And when Rongrong releases gorgeous, gorgeous girls that I love to use in my planning, I know not everyone loves to use people in their planning. I find it inspiring to see some of these images. So I'm going to be using them a lot. So it's nice that I don't have to pick and choose. I can just kind of go for it. I don't like to repeat girls on a page. So if I have, for instance, that girl that is holding the book, that is my favorite. I don't want her again on that page, but I will want to use her again in the future. All right, this one it's a big sticker, so I'm going to hang it over the edge, cut it off. We're going to use it again in reference to a different sticker. Let me put this one down. And it doesn't quite match up because I have a square sticker that is not going to match up, but I think because it's abstract, it doesn't bother me as much right there. The last thing I'm going to do is add a few word fetty stickers that I think are appropriate in my faith planner, and then call it a day. I love how this looks. I'm so pleased with how this spread came together. What a beautiful release from Rongrong. Make sure to head over to her website to check out all of these awesome products and pick them up for yourself. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. Thank you all so much for all of your continued support. You are just the absolute best. If you want to find out more about Patreon, feel free to click the link down in the description box below. All right, I hope that you have a fabulous day, and as always, keep it creative.